पाता है। इस बारे में बड़ी सुंदर एक लोकायुक्ति भी है सर। बहता पानी निर्मला, सुथरा होए सोए, रुका हुआ तो गंदा हो, जो पाला होए सोए। Flowing water is pure, stagnant water becomes dirty. इस प्रकार से हम हमारे साध्य और साधनों में पवित्रता रखते हुए आगे बढ़ें, जिसमें भगवान भी सहायक होंगे। सत्यमेव जयते। जय हिंद सर। थैंक यू।
डॉक्टर वी शिवदासन जी।
भारत माता। थैंक यू सर। जय हिंद।
श्रीमती प्रियंका चतुर्वेदी जी।
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, I've now tuned my mind to a 3-minute speech, and I'm always afraid of the buzzer. So I'm happy that today there will be no buzzer and I'll get to speak my mind, but I will try and keep it short. Sir, I would like to take this opportunity to thank my party leaders, Shri Uddhav Sahib Thackeray ji and Shri Aditya Thackeray ji, for giving me a chance to speak for the party in the parliament. My party colleagues and floor leaders of both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha for this support always. To all the lovely people I have met in the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, it will be next to impossible to name names because it would take more than 10 minutes to even count the names of people I've encountered, I've learned from, I've experienced. Thank you so much. Yes? Thank you. I learned from you. And to Jayaji, my friend and my senior colleague, I dare not control you. To all the front rows, seated in the front rows, the senior floor leaders, cabinet ministers across the aisle, thank you for your positive support and motivation always. And I'm actually overwhelmed when all the floor leaders mentioned my name and the contribution. That in itself speaks for my term being a successful tenure, sir. To friends who became family, the memories I carry of this chamber, I will cherish forever. To the chairs past, especially Venkaiah Naidu ji, I remember Venkaiah Naidu ji, if he used to like something or like someone speaking and they were speaking on a certain issue-based, something which was important to the parliament, he would extend our time too. So I really miss Venkaiah Naidu ji at times. JP Dhankar ji, because he was quite a strict administrator. And now yourself, sir, you've been very kind and you've been very generous. I express to you all my gratitude. To Leader of the Opposition, Kharge ji, there's so much I have learned from him. His untiring effort to be in the parliament and to continue to be an active contributor to the parliament, I have learned from. To Leader of the House, Nadda ji. Nadda ji has been a graceful presence in the House, and his role as the Leader of the House has been very kind, sir. And I continue to hope that I will have their blessings in times to come. To the entire Rajya Sabha Secretariat, Shri P.C. Modi ji, the support staff, Deputy Chairman Harivansh ji, and panel of chairpersons, my extreme gratitude, sir. So I remember when I was suspended during one winter session, I was very angry. and Venkaiah Naidu ji was missing at that time. So I went to Harivansh ji and I had so many things to say to him. So I have only learnt after that, and I have learnt how to also ask for a humble apology for what I said at that time. So I take this moment to thank my children and my husband for being the wind beneath my wings, sir. Sir, a word of thanks to the media, and since John Brittas mentioned the parliamentary photographers, it is just a pause. I shall be back, and they will get busy as ever, sir. So the photographers, the beat reporters, I want to express them deep gratitude. And as much as they may miss me, I shall miss them too, sir. To the people of India, and the immense support I have received ever since my term did not get renewed, I have got lots of love and support across social media from across party lines. So that has been indeed extremely overwhelming, but also made me happy. I had the opportunity, sir, to participate in the passing of the historic Women's Reservation Bill. I could end up becoming one of the beneficiaries of returning to the parliament, indeed through that reservation bill, sir. So again, I'm grateful for that opportunity as well. Sir, before I take my seat, I wish to read a few lines from my father's message to me when I completed my tenure, when he got to know I will not be renominated, which has also been the philosophy of my life, sir. This would be in Hindi. Jeev gatiman hai aur jad sthir hai. Jeev ka dharm hi gati hai. Charevati charevati. इसका स्थान ऋग्वेद के ऐत्रेय ब्राह्मण में मिलेगा, जिसे भगवान बुद्ध ने करके दिखाया। अतः हम जहां कल तक खड़े थे, आज उससे अलग स्थान की ओर अग्रसर हों और पिछली जगह के प्रति ना मोह रखें, ना आसक्ति भाव। यह मोह और आसक्ति हमें हमारे लक्षित गंतव्य तक पहुंचने से रोकते हैं। यदि मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम रामराज तक ही ठहर जाते तो रावण का नाश कैसे होता। मानवता के उद्धार से गतिशीलता का गहरा संबंध है और गतिशीलता का त्याग से। इसके बारे में ईशावास्योपनिषद में लिखा है, तेन त्यक्तेन भुजितामागृधम कस्य स्विधम धनम, अर्थात यह जगत परमेश्वर का है। इसी भावना के साथ जो बिना किसी आसक्ति से आगे बढ़ता है वही उसे पाता है। जो जीवन को इस प्रकार बढ़ता है वही अपने उद्देश्यों को पवित्रता के साथ उसे पाता है। इस बारे में बड़ी सुंदर एक लोकायुक्ति भी है सर। बहता पानी निर्मला सुथरा होए सोए, रुका हुआ तो गंदा हो, जो पाला होए सोए। Flowing water is pure, stagnant water becomes dirty. इस प्रकार से हम हमारे साध्य और साधनों में पवित्रता रखते हुए आगे बढ़ें, जिसमें भगवान भी सहायक होंगे। सत्यमेव जयते। जय हिंद सर। थैंक यू।
डॉक्टर वी शिवदासन जी।